let's continue the next part of social science, 8th chapter, towards the Gangetic Plain. Next subheading, towards an agrarian society. The Aryans who reached the Gangetic Plain cleared the forest using iron implements. They started farming in the fields using iron plowshare. With the expansion of agriculture, the Aryans were transformed into a settled life. The place where the nomadic people started to settle permanently came to be known as Janapadas. Nomadic peoples means Nadodigal. Okay. The head of the tribe became the king. Kingship became hereditary. Hereditary means genetically transmitted. Okay. The importance of the assemblies of each tribe diminished. The farmers started the system of giving a part of their yield as tax to the king in return for protecting agricultural land. It was known as Bali and Baga. This system is known as Bali and Baga. The society was stratified. Stratified means classified into 4 divisions. So let's see here, you can see a table and you can find the classification of the society in the Gangetic Plain. 4 divisions are there: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. Brahmins means they are the priests. Kshatriyas, they are the rulers or military officials. Vaishyas means they are the trade groups or agriculture, cattle rearing. These are the major works of them. And the last category is Shudra. They are the serving higher varnas. That means they are the people who are serving or helping the high class people. Okay. Great changes occurred in beliefs and customs during this period. Lord Indra and Agni lost their performance. The gods like Prajapati and Vishnu became more and more important. Simple rituals and practices gave way to complicated and complex ways of worship. Means of worships and religious practices, including the sacrifice of animals. Sacrifice of animals means Bali, became costly. So, the means of worship and the religious practices became costly. The priest became more powerful. The religious practices became costly. Definitely, the priest became more powerful. They got wealth through their works. Okay. And the next is rise of cities. In your textbook, in old textbook, it is written RICE. It's a printing mistake. It's RISE, rise of cities. The fertility of the soil and the use of iron made the Gangetic Plain a better agricultural land. This facilitated surplus production and also the growth of exchange centers. These exchange centers later developed into cities. People started to settle down in cities for trade. Among such cities, the most prominent were Rajagriha, Sravasti, Vaishali, Banaras, Kushinagara and Kausambi. Trade routes connecting these cities came into existence. A new social category thus grew up in cities on the basis of trade and handicrafts. Coins began to be used for the exchange of goods. The coins that were used in early times are given in your textbook. Through this picture, we can find out its features, that the coins are of different in shapes, size, weight, even value or price. Okay. The next is formation of new ideas. The social changes stated above influenced the thoughts of the people. It was during 6th century BCE that these were more prominent. Let's check the factors prompted or to make these changes. Okay, listen. The increase of yagas and the animal sacrifice in association with them adversely affected the progress of agriculture. With an increase in rituals and sacrifice, the priests started amassing wealth and thereby exerted supremacy over others. With the growth of trade and cities, the Vaishyas became wealthy. Though they were wealthy, they were placed in the lower position in the society. The Vaishyas and also the Shudras were the lower position people, or they were the lower caste people. So they placed in the lower position in a society. Against this societal structure, various streams of thought emerge in the northeastern region of India. Followers of this stream of thought were known as the Sramanas. Sramanas means they are the monk. Okay, they are the monk people. They are the what is it said sannyasima. Of these two streams of thought that have acquired acceptability in society and influence people heavily are Buddhism and Jainism. The Ajivikas and Karvagas also belong to the category of the Sramanas. Okay.